Welcome to the enchanted world of the forest. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey where we meet fascinating creatures and discover the magical sounds they make. It's time for Forest Friends, exploring nature's symphony. Who flies silently through the night and has big round eyes? Our first animal is the owl. Now let's try to make the sound of the owl. Who is furry, strong, and loves to eat honey? It's the bear. Now let's try to make the sound of the bear. Who has long legs, antlers, and is known for its graceful leaps? It's the deer. Now let's try to make the sound of the deer. Who loves to climb trees, gather nuts, and has a bushy tail? It's the squirrel. Now let's try to make the sound of the squirrel. Who is clever, has a bushy tail, and is known for its sly tricks? It's the fox. Now let's try to make the sound of the fox. Who spends its time near ponds and makes a ribbit sound? It's the frog. Let's try to make the sound of the frog. Who has a strong beak, pecks on trees, and makes a rhythmic sound? It's the woodpecker. Let's try to make the sound of the woodpecker. Who roams the forest in packs, with a haunting howl that echoes through the night? It's the wolf. Let's try to make the sound of the wolf. And that brings us to the end of our magical journey through the forest. We hope you enjoyed getting to know these incredible animals and the enchanting sounds they make. Remember, the forest is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. If you had a favorite animal or sound, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you had a fantastic time exploring nature's symphony. And if you want to join us on more exciting adventures, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a new episode. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing adventures with forest friends.